Hi, everyone. Okay, today we're going to talk about functions. Okay, so uh, functions are basically like formulas in the Excel. Basically, it helps you calculate in a specific way, right? Like sum is like you add everything together or divide, minus, that kind of thing. All these are actually considered as function. But in Excel, there are many types of function. So let's get ready. All right. Open a new workbook. Okay. So like for me, I already opened my workbook. Okay. So you need to be able to be familiar with the stuff going on. Okay. So one way you can take a look what is available to you. All right. Is you go to the formulas tab. Okay. So if you when you click to the formulas tab, you notice that there are all a lot of things here. Okay. Mine is like because it's I compress it so that it's easier for you to see. But if you open it on your own, okay, your one will be more expanded. It will be similar to how you see in this in the PowerPoint. Okay, so you can see that there are many types. All right, there's the financial one. There's tons of it here. There's a logical. There's tax. There's date and time, and so on and so forth. Okay, so just take a look. Okay, try some of it. All right, so this is a learning process. Okay, so one way you can start to how do we use this insert function? Okay, now previously in chapter 4 you use the equal sign, right? You start with equal sign and then you type whatever you want. Okay, so but in here we can alternative method is you use the insert function. So I click insert function. Okay, this way it can help me select a specific function that I might want to use. So I want to search for date. Okay, I already have date. Okay, you can type here. If you can't find date one, you just type here date, and then you will bring you to the date one. Okay, and then you click go. All right, or enter. Okay, and then with it selected, click OK. So I click OK. Now this will appear. All right. So when you have this appear, you can type in accordingly lah. All right. So for example, we want to put let's put for me I'm going to put today's date. Today is the year is 2021. The month is March. So 3. We put in numbers, we don't put the words. Okay, and then the day today is for me on the day of this recording is 27th. Okay, so I'm going to press OK, and then you notice what appear is 27th of March 2021 at where I selected it. Okay, so I'm going to leave this open for now. All right, do the saving, all that one I don't need to teach you anymore. Okay, and so for next one we're going to explore the different dates. Okay, in wait, previously I was supposed to put it in cell A1, right? I go do it in B2 instead. Okay, so I'm just going to move it back to A1. Okay, so anyway, in cell A2, I'm going to type 1101900. Okay, oh A2, sorry, this is B1. A2 1101900. Press enter. Okay, now open the number format menu. So I go to home, number format here. Okay, if I select general, means no specific format. Notice it changed into, oh, here they put 10, but mine is 275. Okay, oh, I know why. Because yeah, you might face this also. Okay, but because this one is talking about January 10th of January 1900. Okay, but for me it was 1st of October. Okay, so if I do it terbalik, meaning I put 10-1-1900. Okay, and then I change it back to general, you notice it becomes 10. So it's okay if you get 275 instead. Just remember to just terbalik it lah. Okay, because this one is really depending on the current Excel setting. Okay, and then with this still selected, we want to change the number format to short date. So short date, we select this, and then it becomes back to the original value. Okay, now in A3 you're going to type there 40,000. Okay, press enter. Now it's formatted as general. You see, you notice up here it is still in general form. Okay, and then we click cell A2, we go format painter. Okay, here is the format painter. We click the format painter, and then we click on A3. Now notice that the date, okay, the date format goes to here as well. It's copied into here, so it will appear as 6th of July 2009. Here, yes, 76209 is also is the same thing actually. It's because it's American style. Okay, American, they always like to put the month first, then the date, then only the year. They are weird like that. All right. So there, but so it's okay if you get either one. All right. So in then later in cell A4 we type A3 minus A2, we get 39999 okay, which is the number of days in between these two dates. Okay, save it and then move on. Okay, now we're going to use today function. All right, now previously we type in the specific day, right? Date. But now if we want to use today, the date today, okay, so in cell A5 I'm going to type here equals today, and then open bracket, close bracket. Okay, this is one of the rare functions where you don't need to put anything in between the bracket, but you must put the bracket there. Okay, click enter, and then you see today's date is 27th March 2021. Okay, and then if I use the now function, or also similarly I got a open and close. Okay, and then it's A6, right? Yeah, press enter. Now notice it even includes the time. Okay, it's not just the date, it also includes the time. Okay, copy A6 to A7. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, then I select A7. What? Okay, after that I just want to use the time only. Okay, means I want to select time here. Okay, so when I select time, notice it just put the time on alone. All right, without the date. Okay, so you can notice it's actually exactly the same time. Okay, save this, close, and I think you can upload this already lah. All right, thank you very much.